Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to box braid, and I'm going to be showing you two methods to box braid using a rubber band. And this is something that anybody can actually try out. Now if this is something that you like to watch, just keep on watching, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And thank you guys, thank you to all my returning subscribers for sticking through with me. I love you guys. Just keep on watching.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. Through the wastelands, through the
Okay, so now we're just making sure to part the hair properly using the tail comb, and then I'm just going to tuck the rest inside of the hair while I focus on the parts that I just want to braid. And now using a rubber band, I'm just going to make sure that I secure that properly with a rubber band. And you want to make sure that that is properly secured very well, so that the roots of the hair would come out looking very nice and very neat as possible. So before braiding, I'm just going to take a extension, and then I'm going to wrap it around the hair. Now this is just to make sure that the braid is as secured as possible, and this is just one of the method. And then I'm going to take another extension that it does the smaller part of the braid. Mind you, one part is bigger and the other part is smaller, and then I'll place it underneath my arm, and then I'll divide it into 3 parts, and then I'll start braiding. This is just like as though you're doing the knotless method for this braiding pattern. So yeah, I'm going to run this through one more time just so that you can understand. So like I said, I took the smaller part of extension, I placed it underneath my hand, and then I divided it into 3 parts, and then I started braiding using the knotless method. Let me just put it like that so that you understand. Using the knotless method, and then I started braiding. So now this is just one of the methods. Like I said, I'm going to show you 2 methods that you can actually use in braiding your box braid using the rubber band method. So yeah, I feel like this is something that anybody can actually try out. If you're finding this video very helpful, do make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. So yeah, let me just let you guys watch this part, and then I'll show you how to do the second part.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So now for the second method, I'm basically just dividing the hair into 2 parts, and then I'm going to divide my braiding extension into 2, a bigger one and a smaller one. And then I'm just going to place the bigger parts inside the hair like so, and then I would take my rubber band, and then I would just secure it in the middle just like that.
To create a song. turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So the very next thing to do is to take the smaller parts of the braiding extension. Like I said in the beginning, that I divided my extension into two. One part was big, another part was smaller. So I'm taking the smaller part. I'm just going to wrap like I did in the first method. The only difference is that I had to divide the hair into two and place my extension. So like I said, this is also a rubber band method, only that there are two methods to doing this. So after you're done wrapping the smaller parts of the hair like so, you're just going to divide the extension into three parts, and then we'll start braiding. That is just basically it, as simple like that. Like, it's just so very easy, guys. So yeah, that is just basically it. After you're done, you're just going to braid the extension all the way through. So this is just the two methods to braiding your to making a box braid using a rubber band method. I hope you guys found this video very helpful, and if you know that this video is actually helpful, do make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And thank you guys, thank you all to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting me through, and that is all for this video. Let me just leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video and see how this is properly made. And yeah, that is just basically it, guys. Thank you guys, bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow